A screen, a projector, some scrap timber and a couple of hours, we turned our garden into a cosy outdoor cinema. It's a simple, budget-friendly build anyone can do, and it's perfect for warm summer nights. Any guesses what it cost? Drop them down below in the comments. Here's how we built it, what we used, and a few tricks to make yours even better. I started by cutting down a piece of 3x2 CLS that I had left over from the shed build. This was used to screed the concrete base, so it needed a good clean up before paint. Once dry, I added some self-adhesive hooks along the timber, and I added a little bit of super glue just to stop them peeling off potentially in the future. I spaced the hooks to match the eyelets on this cheap projector screen that I found. If you're doing this yourself, most of these screens come with these eyelets across the top and the bottom, so the spacing is easy. The hooks I used are the same type that I used for our garden festoon lights, but the screen actually came with some of these as well. To hang it, I mounted it straight onto our outbuildings gutter brackets, simple and solid. If you mount into a fence, the screw-in hooks like the ones we used for the garden lights would work just as well. The screen hangs well, but it does move a little bit in the breeze, so I added some elastic cord through the bottom corners and then weighed them down with some dumbbells. You could use tent pegs, bricks, anything with a little bit of weight will work. If you're mounting to a fence, just add 2 hooks on the lower corners and pull it tight. For the projector, I used this mini one that I bought online. It was stupidly cheap and it connects directly to your phone so you can stream films or YouTube. You can also load files via USB, but the phone connection is the easiest option. To get the angle right, I mounted it on this clamp with a tripod thread. But you could also use a full-size tripod or one of these flexible ones. For the audio, we're using a Bluetooth speaker. The projector does have internal speakers, but they're tinny at best. A portable speaker makes all the difference. Quick tip, when you're done, just roll the screen around the timber and that keeps it from creasing and makes it easy to store. So there you go, a simple outdoor cinema setup that didn't take long and cost far less than I expected. It's one of those projects where a few small touches, like decent sound, make a massive difference. Let me know what you would add or do differently down in the comments. If you like this one, I've got a DIY photo booth build coming up next week and big workshop upgrades after that. Hit subscribe up here so you don't miss them, and if you want to watch another video, check that out up here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.